Welcome to Virgin Media. This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. It'll take just over an hour. You'll see this icon when we think it'd be helpful for you to pause the video. Feel free to pause at other times too. Let's start by getting your old kit uninstalled. You might need a spanner for this bit. You can find one in the box we sent. This section should take about 10 minutes. Switch off your old box at the socket. Switch off your old box and unplug the power supply lead. Remove the connector cable. You might need the spanner for this bit. Remove the HDMI or SCART lead connecting your old box to your TV. Switch off your old hub at the socket and unplug the power supply lead. Remove the connector cables and any other cables from your old hub. Depending on how you're attached, you may need your spanner for this bit. Make sure you keep all of your old kit together and be careful not to use the old power supply with another device by mistake. You can pause the video while you do this. Check the packaging your new kit came in for more details on how to return or recycle your old kit. All done? Great! Let's get your new hub installed. You'll need the hub power supply, the one with the blue label, and the Ethernet cable. Feel free to pause the video now while you check you've got everything you need. This next section will take about 30 minutes. Ready? Join the two parts of the power supply together. Take the connector cable from your old hub and connect it to the new one. Use the spanner if you need to. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your new hub. Now we can plug the power supply into a main socket. Then connect the other end to your new hub. Switch the main socket on and switch on your new hub. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. You can now connect your computer and any other devices to Wi-Fi. All done? Great! Now we're going to set up your Virgin TV V6 box. You'll need your V6, its power supply, a cable adapter, the HDMI cable, and the remote control. Feel free to pause the video now while you check you've got everything you need. This next section will take about 30 minutes. Connect the short cable adapter to the connector cable that was plugged into your old TV box. Use the spanner if you need to. Join the two parts of the power supply together. Connect the cable adapter to the socket on the back of your new Virgin TV V6 box. Use the HDMI cable to connect your new box to your TV. take a note of the name of the HDMI port you connected to. If you have a 4K TV, make sure you connect to a 4K compatible HDMI socket. Connect the Ethernet cable to the back of your V6. If your Ethernet cable doesn't reach from your hub to V6, you can connect by Wi-Fi after this bit. Now, we can plug the power supply into a main socket. Connect the power supply to the back of your V6 and then switch it on at the wall and on the back of the box. On your TV remote, push the input button. It might be labelled AV or source, or have this symbol on it. Then scroll to the HDMI port you connected the cable to. You should see a welcome screen. And then the Virgin Media startup screen. You can now pull the tab from your Virgin TV V6 remote. Nearly there. If you connected via Ethernet, your new box will download the latest software. If you did not connect via Ethernet, your V6 TV box will display instructions on how to connect by Wi-Fi. Pause the video while you get connected. It can take up to 20 minutes. Perfect time to hit pause and grab a cuppa. Done? Great! You should be looking at this screen. Finally, you should be looking at this screen. And that's it. You're done. Nice one. Take a look at your service guides for more handy tips on your shiny new services.